Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
That statement with appreciation. President Chakwera is not a leader who will stand on the podium and respond to prayers and castigate people who are exercising their right, and they are also playing a role in giving counsel to government. We appreciate that PAC has taken time to appreciate the developments that are happening in this country, and we know that they are playing their rightful role in doing that. President Chakwera takes time to listen to such wisdom, and President Chakwera takes time to pray to his God for continued guidance. So we will always continue to follow in those paths and engage all those that continue to provide counsel to the government, even to the president himself, to make sure that this country continues to be peaceful as we are today. So we'll continue to use those avenues of engaging all institutions, all bodies, including PAC, so that we continue enjoying the freedom that we are enjoying as a country, and we continue building on the positives that we have registered.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.